this thing?
A couple things here to help Dad upgrade his grill game. So first off, from GrillGrates, these are aluminum grill grates. You can pop them on top of any grill that you have. You can see a set
Does it have to be a charcoal grill?
It could be any grill that he has. It can even be a gas grill.
Okay,
Great
but
thing
what
about
does it
them,
do?
super conductive, and it helps block those juices that drop down from getting and flaming up and setting things on fire.
So it just gives you a better grilling result.
And then this looks like some
Have you
sort of
seen
cool
those
tool.
funky brushes a lot of guys use to clean their grills?
Yeah.
This is a brass brush. It's not going to have the wires come off. It's safe, and you can clean it, unlike those brushes that get all dirty.
Wait, so you just scrape it like that?
This could be
a
Okay,
mic.
this is a good mic
This could be a mic thing.
Wrap it up,
nice.
we'll take it.
Oh, and look at this grill.
That's right. Well, that's the grill grates being put to use, but right
No,
here
what's
we're looking
this,
at
baby?
That's the cleaner for the
Okay,
grill grates.
okay,
And you can
sorry.
also use it to flip your meat. But these are KC Cattle Company Wagyu beef. We got a ribeye over here. We got some burgers over here. $80 and up, delivered right to your door. Delicious.
Oh, wow. So cool.
Oh, that's
okay.
See the
really
grates
good
right
one.
here, and then we got some more of the KC Cattle Company stuff spread out.
Awesome.
Burgers, ribeyes, strip steaks, you name it.
So is
easy.
it like a subscription, like Steak of the Month Club or something?
right
or?
in your mailbox?
Yeah.
I love it.
Wow.
Well, thank you so
Thank you
much.
guys. Happy